Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook roast pork rib. So I have 1.2 kg of pork rib. Today I'm going to cook the whole piece like this. 2 tablespoons of onion oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, and I'll be using honey as well. To marinate the pork, I'm going to put all the ingredients together. Mix all the dry ingredients first. And then we're going to use this dry ingredient to marinate on the pork. And then I'm going to also put the wet ingredients, the oyster sauce and onion oil, and rub on it as well. The other side. Alright, pork is marinated, so I'm going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of honey and rub on it. Pork is marinated. If you have time, you can place your marinated pork rib in the fridge for 2 hours, or put it overnight will be better. But for today, it's late for dinner. I'm going to roast it now. So I'm going to put a stand, and we're going to put this pork rib on top and pour all this sauce. I'm just going to cover the pork with the tin foil. Make it like a tent like that, and so we're going to bake at 180 degrees for 1.5 hours. Alright, pork rib is in the oven now. From time to time, need to come back and check on the meat. If the meat is almost cooked, we're going to remove the tin foil. Right. While waiting for the meat to roast, I'm going to prepare the sauce. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of onion oil and 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And switch on the heat. We're just going to cook it together and bring it to boil. Just bring it to boil and continue to cook it for about 20 seconds. Should be okay. No need to cook too long, or else it's going to be very thick. It's ready now. I'm going to just switch off the heat and put it in a bowl. For the final 5 minutes, I'm going to remove the tin foil that cover the pork, just to let it cook on the top as well. Just for a 4-5 minutes will do. Just let it cook over. Then we can take it out from the oven. Okay. Nice. Lovely. Now the meat is cooked, and immediately once it's out from the oven, I'm going to brush it with this sauce that we prepared, just to give it like moisture. Because when we roast the meat like that, it's a bit dry, right? turn it to the other side. Ooh, look at that! Wow! It looks so good. This kind of roast pork, right, is best to eat with the spicy Thai chili sauce that I used to make. I will share the link down below this video as well. This is the spicy Thai chili sauce that we should be eaten with this meat. Oh, look at that. Let's try. I think it's best to eat with hand. I'm gonna try the smaller pieces here. Wow, look at that. The meat looks so tender and juicy. So I'm gonna try here. No need to use this knife, just eat like that. Wow, so delicious. The meat is tender and juicy and very tasty, very flavorful, lovely. Now I want to try it with the sauce. Let's dip it in the sauce like that. So good. It is so delicious, out of the world. You should give it a try. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.